Application of matrices. Two equations here. A1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Here c1, c2 are constants. Therefore, this is in matrix form. A2x plus b1y, a2x plus b2y. This is the two matrices multiplication form. Therefore, a1, a2, b1, b2, which is x coefficients here, y coefficients here, and xy, which is the unknowns, is equal to c1, c2, which is a constant. This matrix consider as a capital X, xy unknown matrix, which is capital X, is equal to constant matrix is B. This is the matrix equation. Matrix equation here. Capital A is a matrix of coefficient of xy, which is called as a coefficient matrix. A is called as a coefficient matrix, and X is called matrix of variables. X and Y, here two variables, therefore variable matrix, which is matrix of variable, and B is called constant matrix, matrix of constants. Here are two constants in right hand side, therefore which is a constant matrix. Solution of the given equations. Here two methods. First is method of inversion and second is method of reduction, which is deduct in the syllabus. Only we will study here method of inversion. Method of inversion, Ax is equal to B, which is the matrix equations. A is a non-singular matrix, that is determinant not equal to 0. Then A inverse multiply both sides, pre-multiply. A inverse Ax is equal to A inverse into B. Therefore, by associative, A inverse into A, X outside, A inverse B. A inverse A means identity matrix. X as it is, A inverse B is equal to I into X matrix, which is equal to X is equal to A inverse B. Therefore, comparing both the sides, find X, Y, Z. Here compare and then find the X, Y, Z values. Then here exercise 2.3. First question, solve the following equation by inversion method. First example, x plus 2y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. Then here matrix form, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 2. Here y coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 3 here. Xy is variable matrix is equal to 2, 3 constant matrix here. Therefore, capital A means this matrix, capital X means this XY variable matrix, and capital B means constant matrix. Therefore, find A inverse. Then firstly find the determinant A. Determinant A, which is the value of determinant A, 3 minus 4, which is minus 1, not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Consider A into A inverse is equal to I for row transformation, and then find the A inverse. Therefore, put here A value, matrix value. A inverse as it is, identity matrix 2 order because A is a 2 order. The ideal element 1, 1 and remaining are 0. Then firstly here 0 replace, therefore R2 minus 2 times R1. Therefore, first row as it is. In second row, R2 minus 2 R1. R2 is 2 minus 2 times R1 means 1. Therefore, 2 minus 2 is 0. Here R2 is 3 minus 2 times R1 is 2. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Then 3 minus 4 is minus 1. A inverse as it is. First row as it is. In second row, R2 means 0 minus 2 times R1 means 1. Then minus 2 here. Here R2 is 1. Minus 2 times R1 is 0. Then 1 here. Value is again this value replacing here replacing 0. Therefore, R1 plus 2 times R2. Therefore, R1 is as it is. 1 plus 2 times 0. Therefore, 1 here. This value. Again R2 is 2. R1 is 2 plus 2 times R2 is minus 1. Then minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0 here. And second row as it is, only first row change here. A inverse as it is. Here also change in first row. R1 is 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Again here R1 is 0 plus 2 times R2 means 2. this value calculating, and second row as it is. Again this value is plus 1, therefore minus 1 multiply R2, therefore here 1 0 multiply minus 1 means 0, here plus 1, here get plus 2, and here minus 1 multiply in second row, therefore value is change sign, therefore which is identity matrix, therefore A inverse is equal to minus 3 to 2 minus 1. Ax is equal to B, Ax is equal to B is equal to this is the matrix equation, A inverse multiply both sides, therefore A inverse into A x is equal to A inverse into B, therefore A inverse into A means identity matrix, therefore x is equal to A inverse into B, therefore x is equal to A inverse find out here firstly by here transformation by row transformation, firstly A inverse find out here, use in this equation, therefore minus 3 to 2 minus 1, B constant matrix is 2 3, then by matrix multiplication, here first row multiply with first column, only one column, therefore minus 6 plus 6 here multiply, then second row multiply with column 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 which is 1, and minus 6 plus 6 is 0, therefore xy is equal to 0, then comparing x is 0 and y is 1, therefore this is value x is 0, y is 1, this value put in this equation, given equation will satisfy the values, x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू 1 रिप्लेस केली तर LHS 2 येते which is equal to 2. Also this satisfy the equation 2 into 0 is 0 and 3 into 1 is 3, then these two equations satisfy the your value. And second example similar, then find this is the homework. Again third example, 2x plus 6y is equal to 8, x plus 3y is equal to 5, then comparing x coefficient 2 1 here, y coefficient 6 3 here, A matrix, x is unknown matrix, x y 2 unknowns, and B matrix is constant values 8 and 5 in RHS, therefore determinant value A 2 1 6 3, therefore 6 minus 6 is 0, then determinant equal to 0, therefore A inverse does not exist, hence xy do not exist here in this example.